Hello viewers, welcome to Hash Include. In this video, you will learn regex grouping with parentheses and optional matching with question mark. Open your file editor and create Python file. Let's say we have a phone number 415-555-4242 and let's create a regex to match this pattern. Import re phone number regex is equal to re.compile. Use a raw string, create parentheses. So consider this as area code and the second group is a phone number. Matching object is equal to phone number regex dot search. My number is 415 hyphen 555 hyphen 4242. Now we have two groups. Adding parentheses will create groups. So we have two groups. This is the area code is first group and phone number is the second group. Let's print these things. Print area code mo dot group 1. So this is the first group, so I am passing 1. Print phone number mo dot group 2. Now open your command line and run the file. We get the area code and phone number. So let us print mo.groups and see what happens. mo.groups. mo.groups return tuples. So this is the first and second which we have printed here. If you want to print the whole number, area code along with the phone number, print mo.group you see the whole phone number. You can also pause on 0 to get the whole phone number, so it doesn't differ. Let us now simplify this pattern. So instead of having repeated slash t's, let's use curly braces and the number of times to repeat. Here slash d followed by number of times to repeat, and again slash d followed by number of times to repeat. So this is just to simplify the regex. So we don't see any changes here. To make it more simple, we will use multiple assignment. To assign each value to a separate variable, say area code and phone number is equal to mo.groups. Here replace group 1 with area code and group 2 with phone number. We'll remove these two lines. Now run the file. So area code and phone number has got printed from the multiple assignment trick. In some cases, phone number may have optional area codes. and we make the first pattern as a optional. So remove the parenthesis for the phone number and move the hyphen inside the parenthesis and put a question mark next to parenthesis. Now this pattern is to match the area code, which is optional, and remove the groups since we don't have tuples now, and we'll have only one phone number. So print phone number mo.group. It says phone number with the area code. Now let us remove the area code and see what happens. Even this has matched. Thanks for watching Hash Include. Subscribe to our channel for more detailed programming videos.